How to delete your Linktree account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you want to delete your Linktree account, then simply go ahead and open Linktree on your device and then tap on your username on top left of your screen and you will be led to your profile dashboard. On your dashboard, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for delete account. Tap on the delete account button and in the confirmation that appears, go through the warning shown on the screen, and if you really want to delete your account, tap on the continue button. And once you tap on the continue button, your Linktree account, along with all Linktree profiles you own and all your data will be permanently deleted, and visitors will no longer be able to see any of your Linktree profiles. So once you tap on the continue button, you will receive a verification code in the email address that you entered for verification purpose. So go ahead and enter the code sent to you, and with this, your Linktree profile will be processed for deletion. So this was about how you can delete your Linktree account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.